Welcome to the Biotechnology program here at Durham College. As a student in the Biotechnology program, you will work in state-of-the-art laboratories where you'll gain experience in manipulating, isolating, and extracting DNA and putting that into microorganisms in order to produce new products, how to extract and isolate proteins away from complex mixtures such as blood and microbial cell factories, how to grow and maintain different tissue cultures and a wide array of microorganisms, all with sustainability in mind. You will also work in one of our well-equipped analytical instrumentation labs where you will learn how to analyze compounds and mixtures and apply these skills in real-world scenarios. Our graduates leave this program confident in their skills, which are transferable to many different industries such as the biotech industry, agriculture, environmental, and cannabis industries, as well as being able to work in different food labs and research organizations.
I selected the biotechnology program because I have always really loved biology, but I really didn't know how to take that next step into a career. So when I read on the website, I read all the different applications that biotechnology kind of has, what I could use it for. It just really piqued my interest to be able to have hands-on skills and to be able to make change happen in my industry of choice. I would tell someone considering biotechnology to definitely look into it because it makes you so employable. It gives you so many skills that you didn't have before. I wholeheartedly would say to go for it.
So now I am in graduate studies. I'm doing my PhD. I work in a research lab that deals with microbiology and it's immunology heavy. And being here, especially working in a lab, opened my eyes that research is something that I want to pursue for the future.
We did some tissue culture, we did some DNA isolation, we did SDS page gels to kind of estimate the sizes of proteins, we did some instrumentation, HPLC, UPLC, GC, all that fun stuff.
I chose biotechnology because it was a diverse program. They offer different courses such as spectroscopy, chromatography. On the other hand, they have the cell biology, DNA technique, protein technique. So I thought it could be something useful if in the workspace that I have all of this knowledge that I can apply to different jobs and advise a lot of students.
With the biotech program, there's so many options. You can go into research, you can go into industry, and I felt prepared going into that. In the classroom, there's a lot of interactive moments, a lot of different learning opportunities, a lot of different learning styles, which I felt was really great for anyone that might learn a little differently, and it really suited my learning style as well. The labs really provide an opportunity for collaborative work, and that's where I met a lot of my friends that I'm still friends with now, because you get to learn together and you get to work together, and it's just a really great opportunity to meet people.
Hands-on experience right here working in the different labs actually helped me to gain experience and work in my lab and excel in it. So a lot of things such as cell culture, the first time I learned it was here, and it's something that I do in my job every single day.